So, good evening. I've lost all my videos that I made last year, so I'm having to redo the videos again. So, my husband informed me that you're going to see my face all the way through the video, so I apologize. I'm going to show you several different ways that the kids have been learning how to add and subtract with their flexible methods. So, first, knowing how we added, so if I had like 27 plus, oh, it's a little blurry. Let me see if I can fix that. Um, Let me press the autofocus. Um, there we go. Okay, so let's say I have 27 plus uh, 45. So the way we learned, oh, it went blurry again. Um, Here we go. Okay, so if I had 7 plus 5, that would be 12. And we know that usually we put the 2 down and carry the 1. And then 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 more is 72. So that's the way that we learned it. This is called the algorithm. And we are going to teach them the algorithm in the coming units. But for right now, we're using something that we call flexible methods. So let's take that same problem, 27 plus 45. And let's use a number line to add them together. So the way that I've been teaching the kids to add is that we look at the problem and we find the larger number. So 45 would be the larger number. And since we're adding, we're going to put our number here because we are going to move this way because the number is going to be increasing since we are adding. All right, so we're going to start at 45. Now, when we add 27, we always add the ones first and then the tens. That's good practice for when they start the algorithm. So we're going to add the ones first. So there are 7 ones in 27. So I have the kids make 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I don't try to have them write down every number in these hops because their handwriting is much larger and they don't have the coordination yet to get it exactly where it should be like adults. So we just count backwards, so or at or forwards depending on what we're doing. So 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and then wherever we land, we write that number down, 52. And so now that we have 52, we're going to add the tens. There's 2 tens. So I'm going to hop once to add the first 10. And I'm going to say, okay, if I have 5 tens plus 1 more 10, that's going to make 62 tens. And then I have to add 1 more 10. So I'm going to do 1 more 10. And then that's going to be 72. So that's kind of how we're adding on the number line. If we were adding any hundreds, we would just put the hundreds then at the end. So we just start from the smallest place value to the next to the finally the largest. All right, so now let's say we're going to subtract. So let's use those same numbers and we're just going to do 45 minus 27 equals what? So let me wait for that to get in focus. Sorry about the focusing issues. Let me leave it alone for a second. Okay, sorry. Again, I apologize. It's much easier to do in my classroom. All right, there, my headset's got it. Okay, so I draw a number line, and we're subtracting this time. So we're still looking for the bigger number, but since we're subtracting, we're going to start on this end because we're going to go this way on the number line because since we're subtracting, our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Okay, so again, we start with the ones. So we're going to do 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to count backwards: 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38. And then we'll take away 2 tens, so we'll hop back 10. So I have 3 tens, and we're going to take away a 10, so that would be 28. And then I'm going to hop back again 10, and that would be 18. So this is the flexible method where students are using number lines. I'm going to make another video showing you how to use the pictorial method.